Muy buenas, gente. Estamos aquí en la AWS Community Day Spain 2024 en Gijón. Esta entrevista va a ser en inglés. ¡Oh, qué pena que va a ser en inglés! Porque Nic, hi Nic.
Hi.
Nic no es español, como podéis llegar a entender. Según tengo entendido, es un francés que vive en Reino Unido. Así que nos contará un poquito la peripecia de ver allí, si come muchas fish and chips o si está acostumbrado a una comida un poco más decente. Así que nada, le vamos a preguntar un poquito de su día. Hi Nick, how are you?
I'm very good, very happy to be here.
We are glad that you are here. How was the speech, the dinner last night?
It was good, so luckily I didn't drink too much cider, so
Okay.
today I feel okay and my presentation went well. But the food is amazing here, so it's not tapas, pinchos, as I understand it, which is bigger, I think.
And this is different with this country. The size of the tapa, it depends that the place you are here in Spain.
Okay.
Normally in the north of Spain there are a very big tapas. No? There is almost raciones. But normally, if you ask for a tapa here, this is normally a very big plate.
Yeah, I've noticed that. So yeah, we really enjoyed it.
And how is the food that in the United Kingdom?
Where, in the UK?
Yes.
I mean, nothing comparable. Like the standards are very low compared to Spain or to France. So, but I don't cook. My wife doesn't cook. So, we have to improvise.
Okay. And how was your talk?
I think it was great. We had a lot of fun. I had a quiz in the end and some prizes to win. And I talk about security, with EKS, IRSA, all those sort of very complicated concepts. It was full room and it was fun.
So, do you want to repeat?
Yes, if I have the opportunity to do it next year, I'll do it again, maybe on another topic. But, I like to tackle more kind of difficult topic and make it more, approachable with people. And today, I'm part of Authorize, and we have created an open source project to make IRSA and IAM rules management, especially around Kubernetes and microservices, a lot more simple by automating a lot of, the different components.
Well, what company do you work for?
So Authorize, it's a cybersecurity company. Okay. Like every good security company is based out of Israel, in Tel Aviv.
A lot of security. It's a very rough place lately.
I think for Israeli people, it's just business as usual. Like everyone is going into their normal life. They are used to it. For us in Europe, of course, it's different story. But from their perspective, I think it's okay, right? Okay. So, but a lot of security companies are from Israel, Wiz, Checkpoint, Aqua Security, and CyberArk. So like security and cybersecurity is really a specialty from Israel. And a lot of people are actually from, IDF, like the equivalent of the NSA in Israel. And a lot of developers are coming from this sort of background. And the company itself is trying to automate all the identity and access management controls for workloads, whether it's in the cloud or for databases, for Kafka, for any cloud.
That's the question. Do you used to use open source tools for that?
Yeah. So basically, Authorize is three main components that run as operators in Kubernetes. So it can automate the security of different external components, but using Kubernetes as an automation engine, which is always the story of you can use Kubernetes as a data plane to run your normal application, or you can use it as an automation engine because of the dynamic reconciliation capabilities of the API and the extensibility of the APIs. But it's totally open source, just using basic Kubernetes principle to automate things everywhere.
Okay. So that you are agree with me that all these open source solutions are very great to do in the cloud.
Yeah, I think open source, opens up a lot of innovation as usual. But I think that it also comes with some of the drawback, which is how can we maintain open source project as a community, because you need funding. So you will see most of open source projects are backed by startups like us, or like big companies, Microsoft or AWS, or the cloud companies. which make things a bit less open sometimes, and it's always difficult to make priorities. Is it priorities to the community project or for a special customer from a company? So yeah, I think there are challenges in open source, but yeah, we have all the tools to kind of solve them. But it's, I think, anywhere in the world, especially even more in Europe, it's a key driver for innovation, even for the governments and all things where you need more security. It's also a driver for that.
Sí, I work a lot for the European Commission, and they use a lot of these kind of things like GitLab, CI/CD, and pipelines like that to do the deployments for Docker or for Kubernetes. So, thank you for applying to our call for paper, and I hope it's possible that you came in another year.
Yeah, definitely. I want to come next year, so I will submit another talk. So hopefully it should be as fun as today. But yeah, thank you for having me. You really enjoyed the food, the organization, and the venue was amazing.
Okay. Bueno, gente, pues ya sabéis, un poquito así hay que hablar idiomas, querida. Así que nada, tenéis que aprender un poquito más de inglés. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos, gente. Chao.